Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shinoy and I'm back with a video. So today I'll be doing an unboxing for you guys. Just want to share these things I bought from this company called Yves Rocher. So I'm just going to start unboxing these things. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So I have two boxes. So this is the first one I'm going to unbox for you guys. So I bought this little purse with some items in it. So here I got some shower gel. And this is what comes in it, the perfume. And they sent me a body lotion. And the perfume. So this is the bag I bought with these items I just show you guys. And they sent me this bag for free. And I love this bag. It has two pockets and one at the top. And this is how inside looks. So I really like this bag. It's nice. And they send me these things. I can order again from them. So this is my next box. I'm going to unbox, show you guys. So I bought this lovely cream from them. And this is how the cream looks. It smells really good. And it's natural product. And it's called Rich Cream. And you can use all over your body, guys. And I bought this set also. So I get this one. I get 3 pieces. So I can use this bag for my makeup. And this one also. And this, the makeup bag. And it's a good size for my makeup when I'm traveling. I can use it and I like the color. The color is nice. And I get this bag from them free. It's a camping bag. And I like the compartment and the bag. You can put your water bottle here, put your things in, and they have a part here. You can put your shoe. And I sure will use this bag when I'm going camping in the mountain pretty soon. So they also send me some books I can order again from them. And they also send me this necklace for free also. So I'm going to show you guys. Oh, this is tango. So here is the necklaces. And they wear together. So guys, don't forget to leave a comments, like this video, share this video, And if you don't subscribe yet, please hit that subscribe button. And see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And guys, have a blessed weekend. And may God go with you all. Bye.